going to go around to the 873 Bobcat, see if it's going to start. Been having trouble with it last couple of weeks. Thought it had bad fuel gelled up on me. Right now it's 25 degrees. A couple inches of snow on the ground. There's the old John Deere backhoe. There's the Bobcat 873. I'm going to do a cold start on this Bobcat. What I've done to it was I changed the fuel filters with wick filters, put a new fuel pump on it, fuel pickup pump, and a new pickup screen and filter. So I'm going to see if this thing's going to start. I got it started Friday, and it ran really good, and it hasn't been started since then. So we're going to walk around and see if we can get this thing started. We got a good 20 mile an hour wind outside, looks like. Inside of the cab. I keep the door open. Key on. HF6, HF WASP. Boss system, got glow plugs. 14, 12, 8. Hopefully this thing starts right up. I hope so. Man, if it starts right up, I think the problem's been solved. This code. Whoa. We got a warning, HF1. Charge filter. That just means it's freaking cold. Alright, let's walk around. 25 degrees outside. Bobcat started right up first time. No jumper needed.